So my name is Michael Forte. My major is interactive media and marketing, and I come from a town just a little bit outside of Texarkana. So as for some of the different programs I use in class, I use After Effects, Premiere, Adobe XD, Photoshop, Illustrator, and really those Illustrator deals with illustrations and different visual elements that you can bring together in images. Photoshop deals with pictures and you can add and take away different elements from those. And then Adobe XD, again, you can take images and add interactive parts to them. And then Premiere, that deals with videos, and After Effects deals with animation. I haven't dealt with After Effects too much, but I have enjoyed it. As far as jobs that I'd be interested in after I graduate, I would be interested in web developer, certainly, or designing logos for different businesses would be cool. But one that I really am interested in that I haven't put too much thought into yet would be motion graphics. That intrigues me a lot, but I haven't worked with After Effects or anything like that too much yet. But if I were to work with it more before I graduate, that is one field I would like to pursue.
My name is Samantha Hawkins. I am a communication design major from Camden, Arkansas. Some of the programs that I use in class are Adobe Illustrator, which I use for most of my designs, and then I also use Adobe Photoshop for some of my designs and like draw in that. And then for things like books, I use Adobe InDesign. And one of the jobs that I was looking looking at for after graduation would be package design, so like design for packages, things in stores. So yeah.
Hey Eastside, my name is Jensen Sled and I'm a senior in communication design here at SAU in Magnolia. I'm from Hot Springs, Arkansas. Some programs that we use in school are Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. Photoshop and Illustrator are visual elements where you can bring in drawings and make them come to life digitally, which is pretty cool. InDesign you can use as a layout for a magazine, which is multiple pages, which is kind of cool. The last one that we usually focus on is Premiere Pro, which is a video editing website, which I'm currently using to create the video that you're watching here today in class. Some of the jobs that I would like to have once I graduate is a UX UI designer. UX means user experience and UI means user interface, which I think is pretty cool. It's basically how a website looks and operates. Another job is a graphic designer, which creates logos and business cards for a company. And the last one is a book designer. If you go to your local library or your school library, you will see books on the shelf, and every single book that you pick up has been made by a book designer. And I thought that was a really cool job to have. Thanks, guys.